Ever found yourself pondering over how websites are built? The secret lies in HTML or hypertext markup language. It's the skeleton that gives structure to a web page, shaping it more than just plain text. Without HTML, your favorite websites would be nothing more than plain text on a screen. Now you're probably wondering, what exactly does HTML do? Well, let's dive right in and unravel the mystery of HTML structure. Picture HTML as a series of containers, each with a specific role. These containers are called tags, and they define the structure and layout of web content. Inside these tags, we find the actual content known as elements. But that's not all. We also have attributes which provide additional information about these elements. Think of them as the special instructions that tell the browser how to display the content. So, from tags to elements and attributes, each component plays a vital role in shaping the web page. In other words, HTML is like the skeleton of a web page, giving it shape and structure. So, why should you care about HTML? HTML is the backbone of the digital world, the skeleton that gives every web page structure. Without it, our favorite websites would be formless and dull. For anyone dipping their toes in the vast ocean of web development or design, understanding HTML is not just beneficial, it's fundamental. It's your starting block for creating dynamic, interactive websites that can captivate, educate, and fascinate. Mastering HTML puts you on the path to becoming a web development whiz. To sum it all up, HTML, or hypertext markup language, is the foundation of every web page. It's the framework that structures the content we see on the web. Each HTML document is a puzzle, composed of various pieces, tags, elements, and attributes, each with a specific role in shaping the web page. Remember, every website you visit is built on the backbone of HTML. So next time you're browsing the web, spare a thought for the humble HTML.
Oh.